Looking for a grooming tool that does it all without cluttering your counter? The Shpavver 5-in-1 electric razor might be just what you need. It's a compact, waterproof grooming kit designed for men who want efficiency and convenience in one sleek device. This all-in-one tool includes a rotary electric shaver, nose and ear hair trimmer, beard trimmer, precision clipper, and a facial cleansing brush. Whether you're going for a clean shave or just freshening up, this razor handles it all. One of the highlights is its IPX7 waterproof rating, which means you can use it wet or dry, even in the shower. It's easy to clean and built for on-the-go use with USB charging and an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. Customers love its versatility and ease of use. Many reviewers say it shaves smoothly and saves space when traveling. It currently has an average rating of 4.4 stars on Amazon. Some users call it perfect for daily grooming without irritation, and others say it's surprisingly powerful for the size. Now, let's talk about what people like and where there's room for improvement. Most users are impressed by the fact that it really is 5 tools in one. You can trim, shave, detail, and even refresh your skin without switching devices. It's also fully waterproof, which makes it easy to use in the shower and quick to rinse clean. And the USB charging? Super convenient, especially if you travel often or just hate dealing with extra cords. On the flip side, a few users mentioned that it might not be powerful enough for really thick or coarse facial hair. You might need a few extra passes. Some felt the attachments could be a little sturdier, and depending on how often you use it, the battery life might vary. But here's the kicker. This razor usually retails for $264.99, but right now, if you click the link in the description, you can grab it for just $39.99. That's a serious discount on a compact, all-in-one grooming solution. So if you're ready to upgrade your grooming game without breaking the bank, check out the Shpavver 5-in-1 electric razor. Click the link below for the deal. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on Amazon Secrets Revealed.